Have you ever pondered upon the question, what is it that makes Islam, one of the world's largest religions, so compelling and unique? Born in the arid landscapes of the Arabian Peninsula, Islam's story begins in the 7th century. The religion's roots are traced back to the Prophet Muhammad, a man who, in the year 610, experienced a divine revelation. This revelation, believed to have been delivered by the angel Gabriel, marked the inception of Islam. Over the next 23 years, Prophet Muhammad received numerous revelations. These divine messages, when compiled, formed the Quran, Islam's holy book. The Quran, revered as the literal word of God, is the cornerstone of Islamic faith and practice. The teachings of Islam quickly spread across the Arabian Peninsula, propelled by its message of monotheism and equality. It was a religion that transcended the barriers of race, wealth, and social status, attracting a wide spectrum of followers. By the time of the Prophet Muhammad's death in 632, Islam had already become a significant force in Arabia. However, the journey of its spread was far from over. After the Prophet's death, the Muslim community elected leaders known as caliphs. Under their rule, the Islamic Empire expanded beyond the Arabian Peninsula, reaching the far corners of the Byzantine and Persian empires. As the Islamic Empire grew, so did its cultural and intellectual influence. Scholars and scientists within the Islamic world made significant contributions to fields like mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and philosophy. This period, often referred to as the Golden Age of Islam, was a testament to the religion's emphasis on knowledge and learning. Islam continued to spread, reaching the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa, and eventually Europe. Today, Islam is practiced by over 1 billion people worldwide, making it one of the world's most practiced religions. In the span of just 7 minutes, we've journeyed through 14 centuries, from the barren deserts of Arabia to the bustling cities of the modern world. We've traced the origins of Islam from a single man's divine revelation to a global religion practiced by billions. We've explored the rapid spread of Islam across continents and cultures, driven by its message of unity and equality. We've seen the profound impact of Islamic scholarship on fields of knowledge, reflecting the religion's emphasis on learning and wisdom. And finally, we've witnessed the enduring legacy of Islam in today's world, a testament to its resilience, adaptability, and universal appeal. This journey, like any exploration of faith, is far from complete. Each chapter of Islam's history is a testament to its complexity, richness, and depth. It is a story of faith, growth, and impact that continues to unfold, shaping the world in ways that are profound and far-reaching. In the end, the story of Islam is not just a story of a religion, it's a story of humanity in all its diversity and unity. It's a story that continues to inspire, challenge, and transform lives across the globe.